Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Thermaltake THV2 Ultra EX ARGB Sync AIO Snow Edition. So friend, Thermaltake has announced the new TH240, 280, 360, 420 V2 Ultra EX ARGB Sync all-in-one liquid cooler Snow Edition. And in addition, the previous black edition, the new color is perfect for user looking for all white PC build, and the THV2 Ultra EX ARGB Sync series offer an affordable AIO solution with cutting-edge MagForce 2.0 design and versatile LCD display. And this advanced cooling system delivers exceptional convenience and visual appeal, surpassing with expectations. And the new series feature which utilize 120 mm CT EX ARGB Sync fan and TH280 and 420 V2 Ultra EX ARGB Sync models, which are equipped with 140 mm CT EX ARGB Sync fan, and the fans are enhanced with MagForce 2.0 design, which allow you to connect multiple fans to the AIO with only one cable, and the Pogo pin connected include are twice as large as before. The improvement ensure a faster and more stable magnetic connection, making cable management easier and more efficient, and the liquid cooling equipped with 9 blades delivering impressive airflow with the CT120EX and CT140EX ARGB sync fan providing up to 68 and 90.3 CFM airflow. The static pressure of 2.95 mm H2O and 3.07 mm H2O while maintaining noise level of 28.5 dBA and 30.7 dBA, making them highly effective for cooling high-end CPUs. And the AIO include a water block with industrial design with 2.1-inch LCD display that enhance its visual appeal, and the screen can show real-time information such as time, weather, and system data through TT RGB Plus 2.0 software, and allow user to upload custom images, GIF, and videos for presentation. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.